Hello, good day. Welcome again to our Excel tutorial 101. So I will discuss how um, I will discuss now the understanding lacking of formula. So this is important to if you wanna create a formula in Excel. So I will discuss the three types of lock. So the double lock, middle lock, and left lock. So I just made it up this naming of lock. So the double lock, this is the total lock. So the middle lock, it only locks the row, and then the left lock is the column lock. So I will demo it now. So um, in this case, I need to fill up this cell with the name and then the corresponding um, number of column. So in this case, I need this result. Okay, Michael 1, Michael 2, Michael 3. And then in the second row, Lala 1, Lala 2, Lala 3, and so apart. Okay, so I will create a formula. So in this case, I will use and then E4. Sorry, and E4. So as you can see, I just um, look for this cell, which is the D5 and then the E4. So if I copy this and paste it here, so the data is wrong because in this cell I only need the Michael 2 and then the Michael 3. If you see the formula here, when I copy in this next cell, it moves in E5 and E4. So E5 is this, and then E4 is F4 is this. So that's why Michael 1 plus 2 equals Michael 1, 2. So it moves when you copy and then paste it here. It moves the formula because it's not lock. So today I will show you the lock. So the double lock, which is the total lock, if I will lock this D5, press F4 to lock this. So this is the double lock. As you can see, the dollar sign is the sign of lock. So if I lock this D5, which is this cell, then enter. If I lock that, you will get the perfect result. Michael 1, Michael 2, Michael 3. It is correct now. But if I copy below, it's now um, wrong data because when I paste it below, the D5 is totally locked. It is located here. It's not on this row. It's here because the total lock is D5. It's not moving if you copy any cell and paste it any cell. It's not moving. What I need to what I need here is um let's try the middle lock. Sorry, let's try the left lock. So left lock is when you click here, just F4 again. This is the middle lock. So D lock top and 5. Change it again. Press F4 again. It's now on the left side and then click enter. So it's as you can see when I paste it on the right side, the D5 is not still not moving, but when I paste it below, it's now moving. Look at the D5 when I paste below, it's now on D6. That's why it locates the Lala. But why Michael is still here? Because the E5 is not locked. As you can see, if I go to this cell and then paste it here, the E4 is now E5, which is the this title we need to just create get this title of the column. So what we need to do now is to lock the E5. We need to we need the middle lock for this column. So if I'm gonna lock this, press F4. This is the total lock, not that one. Press F4 again. I need the lock in the middle. So enter. So when I paste it on this side, it's working. But when I paste below, it's now perfectly fine because um, as you can see, the E4 and in the middle lock um, lock only the column, but when you sorry the row with the middle lock is for the row lock. So as you can see when I move the cell up and down, it's not moving the E4, but when I move the column, it's moving. The left lock the left lock is for the column lock. So if we move the left lock, the row is working, but the column is not. So that that's the different types of lock. I hope you guys understand. Oh, thank you.